In a presser earlier today, the Philippine National Police, through its forensics group, officer in charge, Colonel Pierre Paul Carpio, declared erstwhile DPWH Undersecretary Catalina Cabral's deceased body was found between half a foot to 2.5 feet away from the base of the ravine she fell from. Our Ryan Lesiges on the police declaring their digital scanning results of the crime scene, and test results leads them to declare Cabral's death was a result of an inadvertent slip or by design.
Former DPWH Undersecretary Maria Catalina Cabral was not pushed but actually slipped and fell down the ravine. This is based on the results of the three-dimensional or 3D scan conducted by the Philippine National Police in connection with Cabral's death. According to Police Colonel Pierre Paul Carpio of the PNP Forensic Group, this matches the scratches found on Cabral's hands. The 3D scan of the crime scene also shows that the distance from where Cabral landed was only about 0.2 meters from the edge of the ravine where she was last seen standing.
So kung tinulak ito, chances are lalayo pa siya doon. So makikita nyo dito na ang kamay niya, yung palm ng kamay niya, ay may gasgas din po, no? Pati yung likod, may gasgas din po. So ang laki po ng probabilidad na nagpadaos-dos po talaga siya. At the same time, yung layo po ng katawan niya, doon sa base of the ravine, ay nasa 0.2 to 0.8 meters lang po ang layo. So it correlates and it confirms yung possibility at yung napakataas na probabilidad na ganun po ang nangyari.
In the photos released by the PNP, Cabral's body can be seen severely injured. This is because of the height from the Cabral's fell reached nearly 17 meters, equivalent to a 6-story building. PNP investigation also revealed that Cabral had been taken an antidepressant citalopram prior to the incident. One of its side effects, accordingly, is the development of suicidal tendencies among those who take it.
Yes, kasi isa sa mga primary actions po ng serotonin reuptake na to, na antipsychotic drugs or antidepressant drug, is pinapakalma po niya yung tao. So, parang mas madaling magkaroon ng decision making. Usually, nagkakaroon nga ito sila ng suicidal behavior. No? That's why isa ito sa mga tinitingnan, minomonitor ng ating mga doktor na may S2. That's why it is a regulated drug.
Meanwhile, the forensic group has completed the DNA examination on Cabral's remains. Carpio stressed that they are ready for cross-matching but are still waiting for a reference sample from Cabral's relatives for comparison. Despite the lack of a DNA sample from the family, Carpio said that the matching fingerprint test is sufficient to confirm that body found in Tuba Benguet belongs to Cabral.
So with that fingerprint identification and confirming the identity of Yusek Cabral, identity through fingerprint, ay na-confirm po natin yun.
Sir, you said
Yun po ay nagbigay ng kalinawan na ang ating cadaver is the late Yusek Maria Catalina E. Cabral.
Cabral is considered to be allegedly one of the two principal architects in the controversial flood control mess. Ryan Lesiges from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.